Hi, my name's Emily Roberts. I'm the Marketing Officer for Menai Science Park. As a Marketing Officer, my job is to arrange events, both big business events for adults and smaller, more fun, maybe more cool events for young people to get into science. I also do all the social media and run the website. My job is a little bit different now. Obviously I can't go to the cool building where we have an Anglesey, I've got to work from home. I have been there occasionally because my job also involves helping make PPE visors for the NHS. I didn't know what they were before. It's like a band that you wear on your head with a shield, so I help put those together and send them out to people, and that's very new and different from what I normally do day to day. What I've learned from this for the future is that it's really important to work with other people closely. So we didn't just say, oh, we'll make PPE visors and start making them. We had to engage with a massive community of loads of different people to help us out and get them all on board, everyone working towards the same goal, towards the same message. And that's something that you can learn really. That's not something that we should just do now. That's something that we need to do in the future as well, and make sure that we communicate really well with people, let them know what we want to do, see if we share a goal, and then work together towards that goal. Yes, it might be a scary and difficult time now, but do you know what? You've been through scary and difficult times before, and you'll go through scary and difficult times again, and that is how life is. The difference is we're all going through a scary and difficult time together at once now, which is good because you've got people to turn to and people to talk to. And what you'll realise is by listening to what we're told, by learning new things, by turning our hand to new skills and working together, we can get through this, and you'll have learned some new stuff, even outside of school, that you can take with you into the future as you grow. So even though it's a strange time, you know, different things happen throughout life. You might come to another strange time as well, and you'll think back and go, oh, don't worry, I know how to handle this.